When sellers decide to list their home, they want the home on the market immediately, but sometimes it's worth slowing down and doing what I call a mini inspection before listing. Now, neither the seller nor the real estate agent is a licensed home inspector. Inspectors are trained professionals who complete certifications and continuing education, and that knowledge should be respected.
But sellers and agents can still walk through the home and property together and look for visible issues that may later appear on an inspection report. Things like loose handrails, water stains, rotted wood, crawl space concerns, older HVAC systems, or exterior maintenance issues. Sometimes sellers decide to repair those items before listing. Sometimes they choose to wait. But if issues are not addressed ahead of time, they may appear on the inspection report later, and the seller may then need to make repairs, hire professionals, offer concessions, reduce the price, or understand that some buyers may walk away because the report feels overwhelming. By the way, one of the simplest things sellers can do is clean the home thoroughly. A clean, well-maintained home almost always shows better and often sells faster than a home that feels neglected or cluttered.
A pre-listing walkthrough cannot prevent every issue, but it can reduce surprise, create better expectation, and help transactions move more smoothly for everyone involved.